Hey guys, so I want to show you what you will get is this Onebot cycling helmet. You'll get with every bicycle right now you buy. I'm not sure when they're gonna expire it. It's actually for limited time. You get free helmet. Even you buy the cheapest bike, you still get free helmet, which is real good. The sale price they have right now on sale for like $39.99. And let's see if it's good quality or not, because all the bikes actually comes good quality, and I expect the helmet to be as well, not just basic one. Okay, I picked the orange color. I talked to them, but again, usually they send the random color, but if you contact them before they ship, they can probably send the one available. And so far looks like good. So far looks good actually. It comes with over here harness like inside, and it's removable, can be washed most likely. It's only come with one piece, so it does not have any spare inside. Usually sometimes they come spare, but you can always buy them, I think, on Amazon if you need to. On the back it's adjustment, and let's see on the strap over here. All right, actually I'm impressed with the quality. Looks like it's pretty solid, well worth the money, but they send it for free. Everything very clean and looks like no defects. Actually it's only made like looks like in April. Over here is the date, April 2023, so it's like brand new, just produced recently. And I want to show you, I just tried them on and I like it, but I want to compare first, so you'll see kind of difference between two. This one is Xnito, $150. This one is the same for free, or even $40. And if you look on them, they actually look the same. It's kind of funny, but this one have just two larger holes, which actually give you good ventilation. And just try it on, because inside, the way it's designed, molded, there is a lot of ventilation coming inside. So when you ride the bicycle, the wind go in, and should give you enough ventilation, as much as this one most likely. The difference between these two, the price, $150, $40 if you buy it, or you get free one if you buy a bicycle. At this time, I'm not sure when they're gonna expire it. Most likely after this video they will not give you for free, but hopefully they will, because I'm pretty sure people will buy it for $40. It's a very good deal. And the difference is weight. This one is like 297 grams. This one is almost 400, so it's like 100, like almost, it's about 100 grams difference, which actually you can feel it very well when you're riding the bicycle. But Xnito comes with a front light, which is good at night riding, and the rear blinking light. It's only useful at night most likely, because at daytime you cannot really see much. Same thing, adjustable. The visor, it comes with visor, which I already removed because it's faded within first few months, so you cannot really, it was ugly and I just removed it. So they are about the same, but I want to show you the quality difference, not only the weight. Inside, Onebot has a nice molded, which give you more airflow. This one is already almost like, I don't remember when I unboxed it, but it's been a while, maybe a year ago, maybe less a bit, but I've been using it for a long time. I like it, but you have to get used to it because it's a little bit heavier than the regular one, because it comes with a light. Also, it's a little bit thicker. As you can see, a little bit thicker, but not a lot, maybe like about 2 millimeters, maybe thickness, because this one is designed for 28 miles. This one is probably just regular, up to like 16 miles now, 17, just a regular bicycle's helmet. But if you look on the both of them, they have the same protection on the sides. The back, everywhere looks the same. So you are like getting a really good helmet. Look, they're the same. And I like this one. I tried it on. I gave it to my wife to try it on. She likes the color and she likes the way it feels, because it's much lighter. She noticed it. And if you are not planning to ride off-road or high speed, this one might be perfect. At night, it does not have any light, but again, not that many people ride bicycle at night, so they give you actually a real good deal. And free helmet. Let me try it on so you can see the difference, how it looks actually. So this is Xnito, and they always come in like 4 different colors, I think, or even more. They're great for high speed. They're a little bit heavier than Onebot, but I just want to show you how it looks. I think you will surprise. They look very similar. I think Xnito will not be very happy to see that I guys show you Onebot. Look, which one is better? Actually, I feel like it's a little bit more optimized, a little bit smaller. So, but again, what kind of speed you're going to? And I personally start to like this one now. If I'm not gonna ride at night, not at high speed, you might be able to see me in this helmet right now soon, because I like the color. It's bright, so people can see it. Even I think they have like black, gray, and white color. I'm not sure which ones they have available. They send it randomly, but free helmet with a bike, it's a really good deal. So check the link in description. You don't really need to check the helmet when you check out the bicycle, when you buy the bicycle from Onebot directly. They will automatically send you one. You don't have to add it on. But if you want to buy extra helmet, you can add it on. I think they're selling them for $40. I'm not sure if my coupon will apply, but most likely it might be, so you'll get another like discount on it. But honestly, it's worth $40 very well. It's really comfortable, very light, stay really good versus Xnito. It's also good. The only problem I noticed, the visor no more. I don't use this anymore, and this kind of harness always get loose. So I'm gonna check how the Onebot, am I even better holding. Right now you see it's loose. I have to fix it every time I start to ride it. So that's something I don't like. I know they changed already, but they never sent me the replacement new one. So I'm still using the old one. Maybe they can hear me if they see this video and send me the replacement, because it's always get loose, not safe. But what do you guys think? It gives you the same protection on the side, looks like. Let's see. Yeah, same protection about on the side, the back, everything. And it's not only good for bicycle, most likely for skateboarding or skating, so it's great. Give you very good on the back. Very happy.